Time to show these woods what a real pilot looks like. And gonna build myself the ultimate flying machine.
Gotta get these seams perfect. No room for error when you're breaking the sound barrier. Now that's what I call wingspan. Gonna slice through clouds like butter.
Control stick responsive, altitude indicator ready. This cockpit's gonna make those Navy boys jealous.
Engine's hot. Time for some serious horsepower.
We have liftoff, I think. Eat your heart out, Maverick. Woo!
Maybe didn't break the sound barrier today, but hey, every ace pilot starts somewhere. Next time, I'm adding rockets.